Hi guys, welcome to this week's 3B's adventure. This week we're over in Swanage in Dorset and we've got a few awesome places to check out with some amazing views. There's little man there, so come on, let's go get started.
Good morning guys, welcome to last night's park up. We are in Arne, in Dorset, over near Swanage. Over in the distance behind us is Corfe Castle. So yeah, we're going to be checking out a few locations around Swanage over the next few days. But yeah, we've got some lovely views. There's nice blue sky, the sun's shining. So yeah, let's show you a little bit around Arne, where we are now. So guys, over in the background behind me is Corfe Castle. It's quite a way away at the moment, but I'll see if I can get some closer up images for you later on today. We are going to go check out Corfe Castle at some point this week while we're here. So we will do some nice shots for you guys. But yeah, today we're over at Arne Nature Reserve, which has got some spectacular views. We're just in this heathland. We're parked up over there. Blue sky. And then over there, in the distance, is Corfe Castle. So we heard Arne Nature Reserve has got some lakes to it, and we've just found them over the heathland, and they do look lovely. They do look beautiful, guys. So I'm going to try and get a bit closer for you, but here's a little shot of them from the distance. So guys, we found this shepherd's hut on top of the hill overlooking the lake. Oh, what an amazing place. The views up here are beautiful. It's summertime, so the lake's a little bit dried up compared to normal. We have had a bit of rain recently though. It is England. But yeah, like, the views from this shepherd's hut. Ah, the National Trust Harrier hide. Wow, what amazing views over the lake. What a lovely little shepherd's hut. This place is worth checking out, guys. Hi guys, welcome to today's walk. So today we've just parked up in Acton, which is up near Langton Travers in Swanage. So we've parked up here so we can go down to Dancing Ledge, beach. There's some climbing. It's like a ledge that goes into the sea. There's like a small pool there. Well, you'll see when we get down there, guys. But yeah, the walk down, we've got some amazing views. So yeah, let's go. Let's get down there. So we're parked up over there. We've just walked down this little bit of road here, and we've got to walk through this field, check out them views, walk down through this field, and then walk down another couple of fields up to the top of the cliff top, and then work our way down. So yeah, let's get started. Alright guys, so we're just walking down the final bit of hill now, the Dancing Ledge. It's been quite a trek down here from Acton, but it's alright. It's alright, it's a lovely, lovely sunny day today. But yeah, check this out guys. There's Dancing Ledge down there.
That's it for this week's video, guys. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to our channel, and we hope to catch you next week for another 3Bs adventure.